Good morning. Hey, what's up, guys? Hi, my dear empowering wealthy mindset people and group and my dear friends. How is everyone doing? Savitri Malla, once again, another video with the exciting information that you've been waiting for so long. So in this video, what I'm doing is, you can see I am in the mission to help so many people to become wealthy through not only trading, also empowering their mindset, because mindset is everything. तपाईको mindset strong छैन भने के हुन्छ भने जस्तो पनि परिस्थितिमा तपाई चाँडो भन्दा चाँडो के गर्नुहुन्छ, डराउनुहुन्छ, चाँडो भन्दा चाँडो आत्तिनुहुन्छ र तपाईले चाँडै भन्दा चाँडो गिभ अप गर्नुहुन्छ हरेक कुरामा. Even trading is exactly the same, guys. If you have been trying to learn something through trading and there is a lot of things happening, probably many people will tell it's a scam, it's a gambling. Do you think it's a scam or gambling? Do you think so? I don't think so. I used to think the same way, because when I started losing money a lot, because I had no risk management plan, I had no proper strategy to follow, I had no journals, I would revenge trade. I would actually take someone else's ideas where I didn't even know why they're taking that, giving that trade, whether to buy or sell. Yes, I made maybe one trade was winning, then the next 2-3 trade blow the account. See, in this video, what I'm going to teach you is, yes, it's a candlestick trading Bible that you can already see in my screen. I'm going to go through them. Yeah, it's a very massive book. I do not want you to take 3 hours to go through this. Nepali ma mazale bhanchu, in English ma pani bhanchu, so that people from different languages can understand as well, because my main mission is to help my community. On top of that, the people, if my videos are giving some value to you and my story can inspire you, yes, how mom of 3 can trade and also teach other people. My mission is not only to teach you trade, also to develop your mind personally. Because if you grow your mind, remember that your income will grow. Your circumstances will grow, your opportunity will grow. You will find many people that will help you to make more money in different areas of your life. Okay, so there's some introduction, overview, history of candlesticks. What is a candlestick? What are those candlestick patterns? Okay, we have deep diving directly to page number 14, which is Engulfing candle. Okay, so we are going to page number 14. Okay, so let's talk about what is a candlestick. You know that I am the person who wants to share the screen and still talk to you about the market. Don't worry, we are also going to check the real market and also see how they look like. But before I jump onto that real market, I want to make sure that you understanding the theory part. Remember that if you become a master of this candlestick pattern, that is one strategy, very powerful strategy, that you can win your market so easily. And you have to win yourself before you win the market. Remember that you have to win. Don't even worry about money. If you are placing some order, do not be attached too much about money. You know what, when I used to be too much anxious, like when I placed an order, I used to like, oh my God, what is going to happen now in the market? You know what, whatever I think, market will do what it has to do. If my rules are perfect, I checked all the boxes before I entered the market, you should not be worrying. And sometimes you have to take that stop loss as well, which is the fact. Not Forex is not 100%, but you still manage to make that 10K a month. You manage to make 10K a month means you are winning already. And I told you one thing in the previous videos as well, there are different phases in the market, different phases in the trading journey as well. Are you in the learning journey? Are you in a practicing journey? Are you in a earning journey? If you are in earning journey already, means you passed all those phases. But if you are in learning journey, keep connected. Yes, you can really learn a lot through this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch this video until the end. From this candlestick pattern, you can really learn a lot. So look, candlestick means, look, there is a body and the shadow, right? We say the body and the shadow. So there are 2 types of body. You can change the color of the candlestick for bearish, for bullish, up to you. No problem at all. It's like, if you like black, if you like white, if you like red for bearish, blue or the green for bullish, up to you. So long bodies refer to the strong buying and the selling pressure, long bodies. Okay, whatever the bodies are longer means the pressure is towards the buying or selling. If it's a red, if you put that red for bearish candle, then that is for bearish selling pressure. If you put the blue for buying, then very bullish, then what happens is that is strong buying pressure. So if there is a candlestick in which the close is above the open with the long body, this indicates that buyers are stronger and they are taking control of the market during this period of time. See, of course, this is what it is all about. Okay, long versus short. This is you can say long, short, depending on the color that you have in your MetaTrader 4 or in your trading views. Guys, you have to have, probably if you don't have your trading views account open, it's for free. I paid for a long period of time Pro. I was using Pro. I don't want to use Pro. I want to go simple. You know what, I don't even need any kind of indicators now to trade from the trading view. All you can do is just check the price action, which is like trending. Like, what is it trending? Look, I am a kind of reversal trader, which is like I try to pick that peaks when the market is reversing as well. So depending upon what kind of trader you are, you have to understand that. All right, so let's talk about like long shadows. What do you mean by long shadows? Means I would say that is the pattern called week off. There is a video about it. Please watch in my one of the YouTube channel. In my YouTube channel, one of the videos there. I will probably leave the video link in the description below. And as I said, candlestick, Japanese, we're talking about Japanese. The first Japanese people, they understood this buying and selling. The Forex was also very popular there, and financial market, everything. So if you master this Japanese candlestick, you know what happened? You are going to actually master this skill set. This skill set will pay you wherever you are traveling. All you need is the internet and your device, and probably the capital that you can compound your capital depending upon how big or small you're starting. Okay, and don't expect that $20 account will flip into 2,000 to 20,000 in 1 month. It is not going to happen if you are beginner. Okay, maybe if you are probably already a master, because I have seen, but those videos that you see in the YouTube channel that they turn in $100 to 1 million, they're all rubbish. Okay, but for one reason, okay, for another reason, probably they are making some money through different other channels. Remember that if you are a trader, if you're only expecting to make money only through trading and make a living through trading, probably it will take a longer period of time. Why? Because you will lose a lot of money in the beginning. Yes, you will do that. Okay, so let's only talk about candlestick pattern now. Here you can see, this is what I was waiting for. This is my best video so far. I'm excited to record this video for you guys. Why? Because probably after this video, your trading history will be changed. Here, engulfing bar candlestick pattern, engulfing. So every time when you see engulfing bar, what happens, it states that there are actually some people, you can say people could be people who are buying or people who are selling, right? Like say buyers or sellers. They have a control on the market. Okay, so this is like the black is, let's see, it's a bearish engulfing candle or bar, is one of the most important candlestick pattern. Engulfing, whatever say that, like bearish or bullish, these two engulfing candlestick pattern are the most powerful candlestick pattern in the history. Why? Because they will tell, yes, now time to change the trend, or market has a lot of sellers in, now I can flow with them and also earn money from them. The first body is smaller than the second one. See the first body, because there are two, like smaller body is there, and the second one, like it's a larger one, and you can still see there is a little bit of wick, means that opening price was there. Yeah, people try to push the market up, but no, this is time to sell, and we went all the way down. See, this is a closing, means this is, whenever you see this kind of pattern in the chart, then this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, let's go to the example of the market. So once you see the market was uptrending, suppose it's a 4 hours candle, and then look at that, what happens, there is a pin, a little bit of a small bar, a candle, and now buyers, they did try to push a little bit up, but this is also the very good, this kind of engulfing candlestick pattern can be seen especially in the support. If it's a market is about to change the pattern, which is change the direction, say support zone, you can easily see this kind of bullish engulfing candle, but here you can see it's in a resistance zone here, and then that's why you can see bearish engulfing candle. So once you do this, all you have to do is, okay, one confirmation is done, there is a bearish engulfing bar is there, and probably market is going to go down a little bit. Okay, as you can also see, when this price action pattern occurs in an uptrend, we can anticipate a trend reversal because buyers are not still in control of the market and sellers are trying to push the market to go down. You can trade any bearish candlestick pattern you find on your chart. You will need other technical tools to confirm your entry. Look, if you can't find any bearish engulfing candle, then find out what is another confirmation. Like, you know what, at least you have 5, you need to have 5 confirmation before you enter the market, isn't it? You're not going to jump into the market, say you have a lot of money you want to give to the market. Okay, do you want to do that? Like, you know, suppose you have a lot of money, but you have a lot of girlfriends you want to make at the same time, but you know what, you probably have no money. Okay, you can't afford it, and probably, so this is just a fun part while we are learning, because I don't want to make this video very boring at the same time. So we will talk about this detail in the definitely next chapter. What we'll do is, now let's talk about our bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So yes, smaller body, that will be, say, our bearish candle. This is a bearish, and now bullish started, yeah, it's still, you can see there will be a little bit of wick either side, which is okay, but all you engulf means the covered, you know, the smaller candle, the bigger candlestick is covered by the smaller one. That is what is engulf. Engulf means like cover the other candle, and it will start to take to the next level. Like once you start to see this kind of engulf bar, market will change its direction. Probably if it's a bullish, it will go uptrend, if it's bearish, it will go downtrend. Okay, so this is an example of quick engulfing, bullish engulfing bar. Yeah, most of the time what you can see is you still can see some kind of wick there, that's shadow, we say shadow as well. And what also you can see is you can also see the candle, one candle, that the latest candle has been covered by the other, that's engulf, cover, you know. And the example here shows us clearly how the market changes direction after the formation of a bullish engulfing bar pattern. The smaller body that represents the selling power was covered by the second body that represents the buying power. You can see, my God, I would say even this is the powerful, this the second bullish engulfing candle is even powerful. Now that's the sign that yes, the market has changed its trend, let's go to buy the market. But you know what, it takes time to understand this kind of moment, like we did before in my previous video, sorry, not in this video. So yes, we try to flip the market. Yes, it did. When it comes to the support area, strong support, market has to definitely do some reaction. Those are the very confluences areas that you have to be careful. Do not try to continue to take like, you know, I want to short from here. No, why do you want to short here if it's in a support zone? Why do you want to say long from the resistance? Resistance means the market is going to do some reaction in that area, right? So understand this thing, you will actually be profitable. No, not every trade will make money for you, but you will start to stop to lose money. When you stop to lose money, then what happens is you will start to make money. That is the phase. You will lose a lot of money in the beginning, you will practice a lot, and then you start to learn and start to balance your you know, whatever you lost, you covered everything. Now time to earn money. See, that's how the power comes. Like now you're in a position to take money from the market because you're no longer doing the same mistake that you used to do before. No longer. Okay, it was me. I said, how many times I should say, I still used to do a lot of mistakes, like without seeing that Doji Candle. We are going to talk about Doji Candle because I have a very good everybody story about it. Like when I check the market, like in a trading views, of course, if not when you are very lazy, I would say, I'll be honest here, very honest talk here. Okay, I heart to heart talk. If you are a mom, you have a special needs child, and you're still trying to trade, I think some days it's good not to trade as well. If you're not prepared fully, don't trade. It's me whom I have gone through that experiences. I wanted to trade every single day. You know, I will give one example. Oh my God, I used to stay until 5 a.m. in the morning without seeing. Every time I was, because I have a big lot size. I put trade in NASDAQ, one lot size, of course, NASDAQ and this our other, you know, US 30. So they used to only trade in one lot size. And your account is in minus, okay? You can say it's all red. You want to check whether market will come back to the, you know, level where you started. You want to close the trade next day, but it happens, you know, luckily it happened to me, seriously. But that was my learning phase that I did. That's why if you are not sure what is going to happen in the market, try to not to risk your money, because it's the more the risk, more the reward. But if you are risking money without understanding what we are doing, then the time comes that that's like a gambling. That is definitely a gambling. I was gambling in the beginning because it was my hobby. Now it has become a passion. No more gambling anymore. It's okay. Use a very small lot size, be consistent, and then you will see the result eventually. This is me. I have started to see my result. That's what I would like to give some knowledge to you here. And you know what? There are so many gurus. There are so many YouTube channels. Oh my God, whom do you listen? Whom do you want to listen? Listen to those whose story resonates you. That's it. If you are a mom, this is me. If you are a mom, if you had a lot of challenges before in your life and still going to look, life has challenges. Of course, there is no life without challenge. Otherwise, it's not exciting. A story about Doji. Okay, Doji Candle. Yeah, I saw that Doji Candle and I still placed that order. But finally, what happens? The market reverts and I was in profit and I took a big profit in that trade. But after losing a lot, not losing, but after seeing that big red in the market. You know, so when you see the one lot size, two lot size, which is standard, I would say standard lot size is going minus, opposite direction. Your heartbeat goes a little bit faster. That's why you wait until 5 a.m. to check the market. Are you coming back? Okay, that was my story. Now Doji Candle is something that you can see there's not more body. Body is very small, not much, like closing and opening will be the same area, but you can see a little bit of body there, but still they calculate or count as a Doji Candle. Doji means it's like a bar, just a line, okay? The body is very little. So you can see this opening and then the closing is the same place, and this signal means that the market didn't decide which direction will take. So it's like an indecision mode, okay? The market has not decided where to go into the market, whether uptrend or downtrend. It has not decided. But when you see Doji candlestick, especially in the resistance and then support zone, guys, the time has come to get out of the market. Suppose you are buying and you saw the Doji candle and now, okay, I have to exit the market. This is the knowledge that you have to understand, that when you see this kind of candlestick, let's say goodbye to whatever trade you have, close all of the trade. Okay, wait for the next signal to give you, like signal means not the signal, but the confirmation. Yes, okay, look at that. Now Doji candle and we are in resistance. Now market will sell. And this is what happened as well, okay? The chart above shows how the market changed direction after the formation of the Doji candlestick. And this market was trending up. You can see that means that buyers were in control. But once the formation of Doji Candle happened, or this indicates that the buyers are unable to keep price higher, now the seller push prices back to the opening price. Now they have started opening the price, and then now buyers will take the market to the next level. Okay, sorry, sellers. In this scenario, sellers. The formation of the Doji candles we have done, when it is found at the bottom, at the top of the trend, it is considered as a sign that a prior trend is closing its strength. Means that I told you, if you can see some Doji candles in the support, means the sellers has no power, because now buyers has to take over the market. Okay, so let's go to the another one. This is also very powerful candlestick pattern, Dragonfly Doji pattern. It's still the Doji candlestick, but it's a dragonfly. Means there is a little bit of you can say a little bit of head on the top. Okay, here this is actually a bullish candlestick pattern. Please remember that Dragonfly Doji candlestick is a bullish candlestick pattern, which is formed when the open, high, and close are the same as above the price. Okay, so means that they have a same opening and closing price. And what characterizes the Dragonfly Doji is long lower tail, then shows the resistance of buyers and their attempts to push the market up. Okay, so whenever you see the Dragonfly Doji candle, please remember that, yes, so this is the example. There's a long tail, means sellers try to push the market down, all the way down, but they couldn't actually push further. So buyers came up all the way, like buyers will come from the down, right? And they went up and they closed the market on the, like they made a head of the candle, which is a Dragonfly Doji candle. Okay, so makes sense. This is a bullish candlestick pattern. So another example I can give you is here, little bit example. So the long lower tail suggests that the forces of supply and demand are nearing a balance, and that the direction of the trend may be nearing a major turning point. So suppose there was a downtrend, right? There was a downtrend, but what happened was, you can see there was a Dragonfly candle, that Dragonfly Doji candle. What happened is, now probably the market has to change the pattern now. The change of, like, that is the end of the trend, which is suppose it's a downtrend. Now time to go uptrend. Okay, so in the chart you can easily see the example. This is exactly, I have seen this kind of candlestick, and actually it works so well. If you understand this kind of candle, it works so well. So another one, let's go Gravestone Doji Candle. Exactly the same, which is Dragonfly, but it's opposite. Okay, so opposite version, like say Dragonfly Doji is actually for bearish trend. Okay, bearish reversal trend, but sorry, bullish reversal trend. But the Gravestone Doji is actually bearish version of Dragonfly Doji. So hopefully it makes sense. Once again, I repeat it if it's confusing too much. Dragonfly Doji is bullish candlestick pattern, Gravestone Doji is bearish candlestick pattern. Okay, means that market is about to push down. Okay, market is about to push down, means market is going to go downtrend. So it is formed when the open and close are the same, about the same price. Okay, but it will be on the lower part of the candlestick, which will be, say, selling. The power of selling sellers are higher there. What differentiates the Gravestone Doji from the Dragonfly Doji is the upper. नेपालीमा हल्का भन्दाखेरि हजुरहरुलाई माथि धेरै ठूलो विक छ र तल गएर पुच्छरमा गएर एउटा सानो टाउको भनेको, it's opposite of Dragonfly. Hopefully I do not probably have to explain in different languages here. It's very simple and easy. So Gravestone Doji is bearish candlestick. Okay, means that market is about to sell. Now this is an example. This is very good example. Like a market pushed all the way up, but market, they would, like, this is also this kind of pattern you can see especially when you are in the zone area. Zone area means those areas of values where market will react a lot, and you will also be able to see this kind of candlestick when you apply this area of values and then the candlestick pattern and some price action, and if you want to include some indicators, you are winner. Okay, you will win. You will not lose much of the trades if you are following your tick rules. Later in the day, sellers overwhelmed the market, pushing the price down back. This is interpreted as a sign that bulls are losing their momentum and the market is ready for reversal. You can see reversal, of course. This is also another example. People actually had no patience to wait what this market is doing. Market has no control which movement it go or which direction it go. We have no control. There are some market makers who will create the market. They want you to lose money in the market. But when you understand this kind of candlesticks, the candlesticks, actually this is the story. They are telling some stories to us if you understand this. Okay, so another Gravestone Doji is a bearish candlestick. Okay, Gravestone. What is Gravestone Doji candle? You can see the tail, like say opposite of Dragonfly, opposite of Dragonfly Doji. Okay, you can say it's a Doji, still Doji candle, but one is Dragonfly, one is a Gravestone. Okay, hopefully it makes sense. Now let's go to another one which is very powerful. I love this morning star candle, guys. It is bearish or bullish candle. It can be both. The morning actually is a bullish reversal pattern. Okay, this is which pattern? It's a bearish, a bullish, sorry. The morning star pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. Please repeat it again or repeat after me. Morning star pattern is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. It often occurs at the bottom of a downtrend, and it consists of 3 candlesticks. So there will be 3 candlesticks. One will be bearish candlestick. There will be smaller bearish or bullish. It could be both, and there will be another candlestick. So that is like what, like it's a morning. Like now there is a morning star means yes, market has to go uptrend now. This kind of, you can see this kind of pattern also form at the end of the trend change as well, or at the bottom of that support level. Okay, support level. The first candle is bearish, which indicates that sellers are still in charge of the market. The second candle is a small one, which represents that sellers are in control, but they don't push the market much lower, and this candle can be bullish or bearish. Here, the third candle is a bullish, which is the pattern that we're talking. Morning star is actually a bullish candlestick pattern that gapped up on the open and closed above the pinpoint. You can see pinpoint. Okay, the gap, little bit of gap there, and above the pinpoint. And yes, what happens in that whole day? This candlestick holds a significant trend reversal signal as well. Significant reversal trend means probably the downtrend was going for a long period of time. You saw that there is a support as well, and also you saw probably your moving averages crossing each other, and whatever happens is like probably, and the time has come to change the trend, which is going to be reversal, will be uptrend. The morning star pattern shows us how buyers took control of the market from the sellers when this pattern occurs at the bottom of the downtrend near our support level. Usually happens near the support level, guys. You can see in the picture here, a little bit of picture here, morning star. And then what happens? You can say this is in the daily. Powerful trend reversal signal. See the example below, please do that. And here, let's talk about like here. But here, the Doji candle indicated that sellers are struggling to push the market. So in this one, you can see this is actually small bullish candle. Yeah, it's bullish, bearish, and here still the 3. But look, morning star is a combination of 3 candlestick pattern. Okay, will be bearish, bullish, sometimes 2 bullish or sometimes 2 bearish, but it each other. But that is the end of the downtrend, and now starting to reverse the market. Okay. Let's go to the evening star. You have learned the morning star. Once again, repetition. Morning star is a bullish reversal pattern. Okay, and evening star pattern is considered as a bearish reversal pattern that usually occurs at the top of an end of the uptrend. You can say it will be, I would say, it is also be on the top, means it will be on the resistance as well. You can see this kind of candlestick formation in the resistance zone. The pattern consists of 3 candlesticks. Again, same thing. The first candle is a bullish candle. The second candle is a small candlestick. It can be bullish or bearish, or it can be a doji or any other candlestick. The third candlestick is a large bearish candle. In general, the evening star pattern is bearish version of the morning star pattern. Hopefully it makes sense to you. So let's go ahead with some examples. So same 3 candlestick. The first one was bullish candle. Small one is like starting to create that bearish candle, which is a small black, you can see, and then the third one is bearish candle. So this is an evening star, means that evening means like what happened evening when sun comes, evening star goes down, morning star goes up. So it's very simple to understand, and all you have to do is understand, check that 3 type of candlesticks. One is bullish, one is bearish, and another one is small. One is also, if it's a evening star, it will be small to bearish candle. If it will be morning star, it will be 2 bullish candlestick. Okay, so yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully you're getting a lot of information from this video, and don't forget to thumbs up and give me some comment in the description, not in the description, sorry, in the comment below. Tell me what did you like most about this video, and is it going to help, is it helping you? Just write down some comment. If you want me to create some other videos, you can still please comment. The third bearish candlestick pattern you can see here, this is the example of your evening star pattern. So what is happening here is, like, market was uptrending. We are actually in a resistant area, a zone area, you can say. The market, you know, the value of confluences, you can say confluence means market is going to do some reaction over here, and before you see that reaction, you can also see some kind of evening candle, you know, evening star pattern. Means that now that is all the confirmation. One is resistant, another one is you have a evening star, and probably your EMA will be crossing each other. And not only that, you can also see the news, everything. Probably you will see that before you take a trade, and boom, you can short from here. You made a lot of money. Yes, money depending on your pip size, lot size. I'm sorry, not pip size, it's a lot size. Okay. If market is choppy like this, probably you do not want to enter in this kind of, like, this kind of market is, you can see, it's a consolidation. Yeah, here this is consolidation. So you want to move in the market like this kind of candlestick, want to at least, suppose it was daily candle, so you made a good amount of pips there. Okay, so let's begin with the other type, and probably we will finish this video very soon. The hammer. The hammer actually is a pin bar. Okay, so it's created when the open, high, and close are roughly the same price. It is also characterized by a long lower shadow that indicates a bullish rejection from buyers and their intention to push the market higher. So means, especially when you see the hammer means, like, you know, the hammer, I think I don't have the hammer here right now, but you know the hammer, right? Like, you have a handle and there is a head, and you use that head is a little bit higher. So example is here, there is a very long shadow, there is an opening is a little bit yeah, there is an opening, and closing is, it has a very small body, so that it will the meaning of this hammer candle is that market is going to uptrend, because you can see shadow means there is a big pin, right? Tail is longer than the body, means market is going to go uptrend. It is a hammer is a reversal pattern when it occurs at the bottom of the downtrend. Like, when the downtrend has finished, now time to go to the next level, which is uptrend. Example of our end of trend, which is downtrend, and this is a hammer here. Look, you will not be able to see this exactly the same picture it is shown here. That's why this is just an illustration, that They may be sometimes smaller, sometimes a little bit bigger, but when you see this kind of pattern, especially, you also be able to see this hammer candle at the level of support as well, because market has started to uptrend, because market has to change the pattern or change its trends. Okay, see the example. As you can see, the market was downtrending, isn't it? The formation of the hammer, which is here, you can see it's a pin bar, you can also say pin bar, was a significant reversal pattern, as long shadow represents the high buying pressure from this point, because sellers couldn't push below this point, right? That's why you can see that there is a long pin and the long tail as well. You can say the wick off, another strategy you can use. Seller was trying to push the market down, lower, whatever you say, but in that level, the buying low power was more powerful than the selling pressure, which results in trend reversal. So look, depending upon, look, sometimes this market is reversed here, but it can go down. Okay, it can be giving some example. Look, what kind of trader you are, you can choose to trade, or you cannot choose to trade. You want to continuous pattern to, or you can use your reversal pattern. It's another example of type of trader you are, what kind of type of trader you are. Okay, now the most important to understand is the psychology behind the formation of this pattern. Psychology, seriously, every single candlestick are saying some kind of psychology to us. That's why, like, we see a lot of, we do a lot of backtesting. If you can understand how and why it was created, you will be able to predict the market direction with higher accuracy. It is very true, and we will talk about this type of trade in the future as well, and in the next chapter. So shooting star, another bearish pin bar. So exactly the same, it's a opposite of bullish pin bar, which is, you just saw that, right? What is this? So hammer, it's just opposite. I would say that's how I take example, like, opposite of shooting star. I mean, not shooting, like evening star, morning star. This is a shooting star, right? We're talking about shooting star. It's a bearish pin. So usually shooting star is a pattern where market was actually uptrending. Now you can see the candlestick, and it's usually happening in the resistance zone, and you can see the sellers has taken the market over from the buyers, and now market will go downtrend. So here, quickly, the illustration above shows us a perfect shooting star with a real small body and an upper long shadow. Okay, because every time you see the longer wicks on the higher, on the top of the candlestick, means the sellers are in the market. That's why, do you want to buy when the sellers are in the market? You don't want to. You don't want to risk your market or money, no? So very simple. As an upward long shadow, when this pattern occurs in an uptrend, it indicates a bearish reversal signal. So psychology behind the formation of this pattern is that buyers try to push the market higher, but they got rejected by a selling pressure. So here we go. This is an example. You can see when this candlestick forms near a resistance level. Remember that this kind of candlesticks will always form near the resistance level. Suppose you can see the morning star will form near the support level. Okay, then that is another confirmation for you to take the trade. The chart above shows a nice shooting star at the end of the uptrend, and the formation of this pattern indicates the end of the uptrend move and the beginning of a new downtrend. Seriously, that's very good example of the picture. Hopefully you are making a note, probably you can type, draw. I have a book that I drawn, the candlestick. So you have to have a journal, like whatever you're learning something new from the channels or from the educator, from the master, from the mentor, make sure you have some kind of notes about them. Okay, so we are going to the another candlestick, which is Harami pattern. It's inside bar. It's an inside bar. Okay, we heard about the pin bar. Now inside bar, the Harami pattern, which is a pregnant in Japanese, okay, is considered as a reversal and continuation pattern, and it consists of two candles. Here, let's go. Harami means not baby and pregnant, because baby and mommy, they are mommy and baby. So here, The first candle is the large candle, and it is called the mother candle, followed by the smaller candle, which is the baby candle. For the Harami pattern to be valid, the second candle should be closed, or it should be closed outside the previous outside. It should be outside. You can see it's actually done exactly the same way. This candlestick is considered as a bearish reversal signal when it occurs at the top of an uptrend, and it is a bullish signal when it occurs at the bottom of the downtrend. It can happen. Harami pattern is actually Harami candlestick is a Harami candlestick actually is a both. It can be for both bullish inside bar, or you can say bearish inside bar. It can be. So this one is actually a bullish inside bar, because you can see this is a our bearish candle and another baby formation of bullish candle. Then it's like market has to come now. Probably the downtrend is over now, going to be uptrend soon. There will be a picture about it. Harami pattern. Yeah, this is a bearish. You can see the mummy is a mother. This is a baby bar, and this is how you take an example. Harami pattern is also very good. If you find this kind of candlestick in the chart, maybe the market is one, and the market has will change the change the trend. The other one is it will probably continue as well. There is two. So as you see, the smaller body is totally covered by the previous mother candle. Don't bother yourself with the colors. The most important is that the smaller body closes inside of the first bigger candle. Inside, okay, it's inside means it's still the level is same. I think yes, it's very good example. So it's they are Harami, like say they are the mother and baby, you can say, because they're together, like inside, within inside. Same thing here, it's within inside, level is inside. Okay, so what you can see now here is, okay, yeah, hopefully making sense. Yes, I am very happy to record this video for you guys. Hope you are absolutely getting some value out of this. There's no bullshit information. It's like a teacher is teaching in a college, right? I teach usually in a college a lot, and look, this is something you're learning from a teacher, from a Forex trader. So as you see, the smaller body is totally covered. Yeah, this is what it already happened. When this candlestick pattern happens during an uptrend or the downtrend, it is interpreted like continuation pattern will give you good opportunity to join the trend. Like, yes, let's go, continuation is happening. If it is occur at the top of the trend, uptrend, or the bottom of the downtrend, then you can see that market is actually going to reverse. Okay, it's a trend reversal signal. Here, this is something you can see. Yeah, this is change bullish Harami. This is bullish Harami, and this one is bearish Harami. Yeah, so some, as I said, they will not look exactly the same, but all you have to do is predict. You predict, okay, probably this is close within the same bar, like they close in the same level or below that level, exactly because they look like they are Harami. Baby is there, there is a mother is there. Okay, so in the chart above, you can see how the trend direction changes after the Harami pattern formation, and the first bullish Harami pattern occurred at the bottom of the downtrend. Sellers were pushing the market lower. Suddenly, price starts consolidating, and you can see the consolidation happened. Boom, market was gone uptrend, isn't it? Again, you can see the bearish Harami, and then again, market was downtrend. So the bearish Harami is the opposite of the bullish. This one occurred at the top of an uptrend, indicating that buyer's domination is over and the beginning of the downtrend is possible. So I do not want to confuse you too much, guys. I think, look, if you only understand this many candlesticks, you can master the Forex trading with some support and resistance zone, some indicators, and then trend, probably reversal. So yeah, we have a lot. Another, like, so we have tweezer top, tweezer bottom. So there are a lot other information that I will probably give you. So let's continue with this. Okay, last one. What we'll do is I'll quickly give you a last one, which is tweezer bottom and tweezer top. When you see two bullish and bearish candle in the same level, it means they are actually a bearish reversal. Okay, so like when you see the tweezer top and bottoms, means that is two candlesticks are there, and then that means that market is going to reverse, which is bearish reversal pattern, seen as the here you can see. Oh no, yeah, you can see. All right, so I want to make it a little bit quicker. Let me know. So here tweezer top. Okay, so we learn about tweezer bottom. So it's like they have same size of a bearish and bullish candle, and these candles are actually they're going to be bearish reversal pattern. Tweezer top, here you have, just give me an example, like when you have a bearish first and bullish second, like the bearish and bullish, that is tweezer bottom. Bottom means now market is going to go to downtrend. Okay, so when you see the bullish candle and then you see the bearish candle, means that means now the bearish candlestick means that now that is bullish, means you are going to see the market will do the opposite of tweezer bottom. Okay, so let's go and read what is the tweezer tops formation consists of two candlesticks. The first one is bullish candlestick followed by the bearish candlesticks, and the tweezer's bottom formation consists of two candlesticks as well, which is first one is bearish and the second one is bullish. Okay, and the first candle is bearish followed by the bullish candlestick. So we can say that the tweezer bottom is the bullish version of the tweezer top. Okay, so tweezer bottom is a bullish version of tweezer opposite. The tweezer tops occurs during an uptrend when buyers push the price higher. This gave us the impression that the market is still going up, but sellers surprised buyers by pushing the market lower and closed down the open of the bullish candle. You can see that, like it could be in a 4 hours candlestick, for 1 hour. You can see higher the time frame, bigger the picture, but if you are a scalper, probably you'll see 1 hour 15 minutes candlesticks and check if there is formation of tweezer top and tweezer bottoms. They will also give you some impression that yes, market still can go up, or maybe market is going to just pull back, maybe just market is going to change the trend. Okay, so the tweezer tops and tweezer bottoms happens during a downtrend. Tweezer bottom happened during the time tweezer top happened in a uptrend. Okay, that's opposite. When sellers push the market lower, we feel that everything is going all right, but the next session price closes above or roughly at the same price of the first bearish candlestick, which indicates that the buyers are coming to reverse the market to the next level, which is bearish. Buyers means bullish momentum will come into the few next candles. If this price action happens near a support level, it indicates that the bearish reversal is likely to happen. Bearish reversal. Okay, so you can see the chart above shows us tweezer bottom that occurs in a downtrend. The bears means the sellers, right, push the market downward on the first session. However, the second session opened where prices closed on the first session and then went straight up, indicating a reversal by buyer signals that you can trade if you have other elements that confirms your buying decision. So not only this decision you can take, you can also take decision of say you are in a support level and the market is going to buy, because support level most of the buyers are sitting there. That's why it's a support, because market couldn't push that level down further. Okay, for that timing, and we are talking about different timing has a different support, different timing has different resistance. So which the time frame you choose, it depends upon you. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Example is very simple, and don't focus on the name of the candlestick, guys. One thing is very true. This is my personal recommendation. Do not worry about name of the candlestick. To try understand the psychology behind its formation, which is the most important. Formation means, look, if there is a more wick underneath, say on the bottom on the tail side, a lower side means the market has to go upward, right? The time has come, the market will change the trend. But if there is a week, so I would say week off strategy is also very, very good in implementation. We can use in addition to the candlestick pattern, support and level, support and resistance, zone level, and also some kind of indicators if you want to use, if some want to use some different types of strategy if you have. Because if you can understand why it was formed, you will understand what happened in the market, and then you can easily predict the future movement of price as well. Wow. So this, now you have to do exercise, guys. Do some exercise and let me know. You can comment in the in this video, what did you like most about this video. And what I will do is I will probably close this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will go live as well, because I would say probably I have a lot of requests to go live. They want to make live money with me, probably because the timing that London opening is the timing that my kids jump a lot. So even though ignoring those jump, because I'm a mom of 3 children, so probably people understand that when mom is trading, what kind of environment will be at home and how I'm managing those environment, still trying to focus on trading and still earning. I will come live through my YouTube channel so that people can see, yes, what we can do in the market, how can we predict the future of the movement of these candlesticks and momentum, and how we can still become the wealthiest person in the world through mindset, not through thinking scarcity, thinking wealthy, thinking enough, thinking abundance. Okay, so I wish you good luck, guys, and keep trading. And I am sending you a lot of positive energy from my side to you, your family. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning, and then never give up on your journey, because it is possible, guys. It is possible if you are someone trying a lot to do a lot of things in their life but never succeeded. But this can help you if you are committed. Don't forget to commit to your dream, because your dreams are your dreams. No one is going to come and help you. Having said that, I love you so much, and thank you so much for everything that you do, and I will see you in the next video, and take care, guys.